Dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Hey, welcome back to the live broadcast of our AWS Solutions Architect study. In this episode, we are going to review the different EC2 storages like Instant Store, EBS, EBS Multi-Attach, and EFS. So currently, we are using an account that has already exceeded its free tier. So this is not a free tier anymore. So that's why we should be very careful. Okay. Okay, so currently this user, our VWX Architect user, doesn't have any permission to go around because we're using the principle of list. Is that principle of list privilege? Hold on, let me drink my coffee first and I will see the exact terminology for that. This is yours truly, Dory. My memory is not that good. Hold on, let me drink my coffee. Yeah, it's reconnected again. So I'm trying to see, or maybe we can do it later since we also don't have any viewers. We're just doing this on our own. Let's see, what else? Control panel. Supposed to be a chat. Select stream. Yeah, this stream. Is there anything like share? I will share this stream to dun 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 do I wanna know if the feeling? Let's just make sure that our user doesn't have any open privileges, and we're also going to use our advisor. Let's see how to use the advisor if there are any security issues that we haven't checked yet. And my internet is really slow. I believe that is because I am broadcasting. Yeah, my internet is really slow. And YouTube is complaining that my internet is really slow. Do I wanna know after feeling this way, had to see you go. Na 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 na. Dum 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 Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if we can switch to a different account. Anyways, what are we going to do now? Yeah, so our user AWS Architect has empty permissions. Okay, so that's good. What do we want to take a look now is the advisor. So let's check the advisor. Let's go to the advisor, the trusted advisor. Oops. Let's see, go. Device advisor, advisor, Redshift advisor, trusted advisor. Alright, so let's go to trusted advisor. Let's go to our draw io splash AWS, and let's put this here because this is a very safe browser where we don't have any shenanigan in there, right? So advisor, the icon for the advisor is, I believe, this trusted advisor. Yeah, so this is the trusted advisor, and we have a IAM. So this is a rule. What is the icon for an IAM user? An IAM user. I want the new one. MFE permissions STS. Yeah, I think I just use this IAM. That is the IAM, but I want the IAM user. What is the icon for an IAM user? Yeah, it's like a card. Let's go to, I believe that would be security. There should be like a card here. Cognito. Yeah, maybe this one. Is there anything Cognito? So this is the IAM. Okay, and this is just a Cognito. How about an AWS user? What is an icon for an AWS user? Anyways, so trusted advisor. Let's see, what can we see in a trusted advisor? How can I show this to this guy? So this guy. Okay, so let's go to that IAM. We want to give a VWX Architect access to the trusted advisor. Let's see the if there's a trusted advisor here. Jing 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 jing. Snow is falling from the sky in the middle of July. Sun is shining in my eyes last night. And a dream. My internet is very slow. Look at its status. Conversations with the mind. See what I can find. All this night. Add policy. Okay, trusted advisor. It keeps getting stranger by the day. So what is by the way, what is the difference between access advisor and trusted advisor? Okay, AWS Trusted Advisor and AWS IAM Access Advisor are tools provided by Amazon Web Services to help manage your AWS environment, but they serve different purposes. Trusted Advisor is different from Access Advisor. I believe Trusted Advisor is for security and Access Advisor is for... Yeah, man, their names are very confusing. Okay, so purpose of Trusted Advisor. A comprehensive tool to provide recommendations for optimizing your AWS environment. The focus area are cost optimization, performance, security, fault tolerance, and service limits. Who uses it? System architects, admins, and DevOps teams for overall AWS account health and optimization. Example, notifying you that an EC2 instance has low utilization and could be resized or terminate to save cost. That is the Trusted Advisor. And for the Access Advisor, a feature within IAM that helps manage and refine permissions for users and rules. Focus areas are last access information, permission refinement, and service-specific data. Who uses it? Security teams, IAM administrators, and compliance teams focusing on fine-tuning access control. For example, showing that a user hasn't accessed certain services in months, enabling you to revoke those permissions. Okay, so key difference, scope, so for the Trusted Advisor, entire AWS account. IAM Access Advisor, IAM permissions for users and rules. Okay. Primary use case, optimizing and managing AWS resources, refining access control for the IAM Access Advisor. Recommendation, access multiple recommendations across multiple domains. Last access information for services. AWS Access, AWS Console, Trusted Advisor, IAM Console, User Rule, Access Advisor. Okay, so they have differences. So for the Access Advisor, IAM Access Advisor is more for IAM and rules, and for the Trusted Advisor is account. How is that? Entire AWS account. entire AWS account. So can trusted advisor is multiple account in scope of AWS trusted advisor. Yes, AWS Trusted Advisor can support multiple accounts, but it depends on your AWS setup and the features you use. Scope of AWS Trusted Advisor across multiple accounts. Link accounts in AWS organizations. If you use AWS organizations, Trusted Advisor can provide visibility into multiple accounts within your organization. The management account, formerly master account, or a delegated account can view Trusted Advisor checks for all linked accounts. This centralized view is useful for monitoring and optimizing resources across the organization. Trusted Advisor Multiple Account Dashboard via AWS Enterprise Support. Trusted Advisor supports enterprise support plans, allowing organizations to use the multi-account dashboard for consolidated recommendations across multiple accounts. Examples of multi-account checks include service limits, security best practices, and cost optimization opportunities. Access through API or CLI. You can automate the retrieval of Trusted Advisor reports for multiple accounts using the AWS Support API or SDK. This approach is commonly used for custom Trusted Advisor data into centralized dashboards. For limitations, per account configuration, while you can access insights across accounts, specific accounts, example applying recommendations, can be taken at the individual account level. Service plans. Multi-account visibility in Trusted Advisor is primarily available for accounts under the Enterprise Support Plan. So, best practices for multi-account management with Trusted Advisor. Use AWS organizations for centralized account management. Leverage the multi-account dashboard if you have an enterprise support plan. Combine Trusted Advisor insights with AWS tools like AWS Config, CloudWatch, or third-party solutions for broader multi-account management. Okay, so what about that analyzer, that AWS analyzer service? What is that for? Access analyzer? Yeah, I think it's access analyzer. So the AWS Access Analyzer is a security focus. Okay, so the analyzer is a security focus, and Trusted Advisor is for it's still security. Damn, these services are very confusing. Access Analyzer is a security focused service designed to help you identify resources in your AWS environment that are shared with external entities. It ensures you can maintain control over your resources by analyzing policies for unintended or unauthorized sharing. Key features of AWS Access Analyzer. Policy analysis. Evaluates resource policies such as bucket policies, access control lists, and rule trust policies. Identifies any public or cross-account access to resources. Resource types covered: AWS, Amazon S3 buckets, AWS identity and access management rules, AWS KMS keys, Amazon SQS queues, AWS Lambda function policies, More AWS resources are being added over time. Findings, reports, findings of potential security risk. Example, an S3 bucket accessible to all users on the internet. Helps you understand and remedies issues by providing detailed insights into the policies that grant access. IAM Access Analyzer. A specific feature with Access Analyzer for IAM. Analysis permissions granted by IAM policies to ensure that they comply with security best practices. Common use cases: ensuring secure sharing, public access monitoring. Man. Okay. So how it differs from trusted advisor, security and access analysis, broad recommendations, cost. Okay, so trusted advisor is broader, access analyzer is more in security. IAM access advisor is also, yeah, compare. Please give table comparison for the 3 AWS Access Analyzer, Trusted Advisor, and IAM Access Advisor. Damn, this, whoever named this things should get fun. Okay, here's a comparison. Here's a comprehensive table comparing AWS Access Analyzer, AWS Trusted Advisor, and IAM Access Advisor. Primary purpose of I think you can just read this. So for the Access Analyzer, analyzes resource policies to identify. So for the Access Advisor, it shows service usage data to refine permissions. Analyzes resource policies. So this is more on the resource policies, and this one is more on external and public access risk. So more on security. This one is for refining what's inside, just inside the Access Advisor, access of yours, IAM and rules. So let's digest that a bit into our head. Okay, focus area is resource sharing and security, fine-tuning IAM permissions. Holistic AWS account health. Resource sharing and security. Okay, so scope, specific to resource policies, S3 bucket, IAM rules. And permissions. So these are like permissions. This one is for policies. This one entire account. Analysis level, public, cross account sharing, last access permission, unused permission. Access advisor. And then this one, cost optimization, security, performance limits. This is very broad. So the trusted advisor is very broad. So supported resource types, S3, IAM rules, access analyzer. Yeah, finding granular. So this is too much, man. Free for most use cases, free with basic support, additional checks available with business. So the key differences: AWS Access Analyzer is security focus, ensuring that resources aren't unintentionally exposed. Okay, so unintentionally exposed for the security analyzer, access analyzer. And then for the trusted advisors offers a broad, multifaceted. How is it pronounced? Multifaceted approach to AWS account optimization. IAM Access Advisor is narrowly focused on IAM policy refinement, when to use, to validate and secure resource sharing policies, overall AWS account. Yeah, okay. How to pronounce Can you help me check if I digested the knowledge above? Please give me 10 quiz questions and give me answer later.
Looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary in English that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We are looking at how to pronounce the syllable multifaceted. Multifaceted in American English, however,
Policies to identify public or cross account. So that is the access analyzer. Name 3 focused areas of AWS Trusted Advisor. Yeah, man, I forgot. Security. Oh man, security, cost, and I don't know. Main focus, holistic account, fault tolerance, performance. Yeah, performance. What types of insights does IAM Access Advisor provide about IAM rules, users and rules? It provides insights on what are the... Hey, how to answer that, man? So this is the problem with not using putting a multiple choice, because you're used to having multiple choice and then now you can't explain. You just know a little bit and you can't articulate it. You think you know it but you can't articulate it. Can AWS... where is it again? Which AWS service can detect unintended public access access analyzer? Can AWS Trusted Advisor provide recommendations for multiple accounts? Yes, it needs to be in a linked account in an AWS organization. What is the main difference between IAM Access Advisor and AWS Access Advisor? For the Access Advisor, it's mainly only for your IAM and rules, and for the access analyzer are for the resources, if those resources are exposed or not, something like that. So which service focuses on identifying unused IAM permissions? So this is IAM Access Advisor. What are the some of the resource types analyzed by AWS Access Analyzer? S3, KMS, IAM. Which tools, which AWS tools should you use to check if the AWS instance is underutilized? So we can use the Trusted Advisor for that, I believe. Is it Trusted Advisor? Okay, let's put this on a notepad so that we can check our answers. So what are the primary purpose of Trusted Advisor? For the holistic, what's the spelling of holistic again? For the health of your entire AWS account. Checking performance, security, limits, and optimization. Number 2, which AWS service analyzes IAM policies to identify? So this is the Access Analyzer. Name 3 focus areas of AWS Trusted Advisor. Yeah, that's what performance, security limits, and optimization. What type of insights does IAM Access Advisor provide? IAM as Access Advisor provide about insights on fine tuning permissions, access and permission. Which AWS service can detect unintended public access to S3 bucket? Access Analyzer. Can AWS Trusted Advisor provide recommendations for? Yes, through AWS organization and linking the AWS accounts. What is the main difference between IAM Access Advisor and Access Analyzer? Access Analyzer is more on security, and while Access Advisor is more on fine tuning permissions. Which service focus on identifying unused IAM permission? IAM Access Advisor. What are some of the resource types analyzed by AWS Access? S3, IAM, KMS. Then which AWS tool should you use to check if the EC2 instance is underutilized? That should be in Trusted Advisor. Okay, so let's check. So let's see if we have it correct. Okay, so what is the primary purpose? To provide recommendations for optimizing cost, checking performance, insight, optimizing cost, performance, security, fault tolerance, and service limits. Yeah, I think we got it a little, so we can. It says on fine tuning access and permission. Yeah, this is not so detailed, so the detailed part is the last access and use permissions. Yeah, so AWS service can detect unintended public access to an S3 bucket. Yeah, yeah, access analyzer, which is correct. Can AWS trusted advisor provide recommendations for multiple accounts? Yes, it can provide recommendations for multiple accounts if the accounts are linked through AWS organization or using multi-account dashboard available with enterprise. Okay, so yeah, organization linked to an organization or using the multi-account dashboard in the enterprise support plan. So what is the main difference between access advisor and access analyzer? So I am focused on refining permissions. Yeah, so I put it here. Fine tuning access permissions. I permissions. Showing last access data. Access advisor flows public or external sharing resources based on public or external sharing of. Okay. So this one we haven't grasped this correctly yet. Shit. Oh, sorry. Public or external sharing. Public or external sharing of resources. So it will analyze the public sharing of external sharing of your resources. Okay. Which service focus on identifying unused permissions? Access advisor. Access advisor is correct. S3 IAM rules. KMS lambda functions SQS. So that is access analyzer. Which AWS tool should you use to check if the EC2 instance is underutilized? AWS Trusted Advisor. Okay, so we got a little grasp of what was the intention for those services. So I think we're good in that area. Next, what we're going to do is yeah. So what's this again? Trusted Advisor. What is the logo of the Access Advisor? Is there a logo for it? Access Advisor. It's going to analyze like your S3 like your S3 bucket. Where's the S3 bucket? Yeah, so S3 bucket analyzes your S3 bucket, your SQS. Where's the SQS? SQS, KMS, key management system. Yeah, your KMS and then your Lambda. Okay, that is the rule of your access analyzer. Then your access advisor. This is the trusted advisor, but for your access advisor, we don't have access advisor. Access advisor. Yeah, no logo or icon for access advisors. For your access advisor, it will check for your unused permissions or last access resource